Guys, Eddie from Harlembling, another diamond tester. We're going to review the source. Maybe this is an A source. I'm not sure, but it was $159 on eBay. Let's open this up. Very basic packaging. It's definitely giving me China vibes, this tester. Has a little booklet. Little instruction booklet. Let me put in some batteries and we'll put this thing to the test. Guys, so we got the batteries in. It's 3 AAA batteries. First thoughts, it's not as ergonomic as some of the other testers. The build quality is not too bad, but not that great. This is the real diamond. And it's testing as diamond. This is the Moissanite. It's testing as Moissanite. And this is the CZ. And it's testing as Moissanite as well. Now it's just clicking. And now the CZ is testing as diamond. Very interesting. Guys, I don't know what's up with this tester. The only exclamation I have is that at Harlembling, we carbon coat our CZs. So there's a thin layer of carbon around the stones. However, with most of the other testers, they did test as CZ. Now it's testing as Moissanite. Because of this, now it's not testing at all. Again, Moissanite. Because of this, I'm going to give this a 2 out of 10. I don't think a good diamond tester should test CZs as Moissanite or as diamonds. I do not recommend this. But if you're very keen-eyed, you'll notice my new Pikachu pendant. This is going to be on the website very soon. One of my favorite cartoons as a kid will also have it in 14 karat yellow gold. This is Moissanite. Let's see. Will this thing test it as Moissanite? It is. Moissanite Pikachu pendants. Available soon.